All right, so we're building this phone agent that can, if you think about it, replace all salespeople. Because at the end of the day, salespeople are just phone call people that have a script, and then they just go through the script. And yeah, some salespeople are better, but imagine your best salesperson versus an AI that costs $0 or like 2 cents per sales call. I don't know. Cool thing if you ask me. Now, I'm building this phone agent to kind of do onboarding stuff, but thinking, hey, it'd be a good agent as well, customer service agent, you know, or whatever you need. While I'm gonna an onboarding flow, just things easier and into my, I will trade how to automate your trading. I think it could be good for sales too, and maybe I'll shut that stuff, dude. Maybe I'll shut the automatic sign up down, dude, and I'll have everybody go through this sales agent. I don't know. But I'm building every single day. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I share absolutely everything on my that I build, whether it's algos or anything in agents, anything, dude. Every piece of code you're seeing, because I believe code is you can change your life forever. Because I changed mine. I used to be that idea guy, that entrepreneur, the one that just only could do ideas. Yeah, code's too hard for me. Code is for other type of people. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can learn this thing. Okay, I learned it. Took me a few years. Okay, I'm here now. Now I can build anything. We got AI that can build anything for us now, dude. This is the great equalizer here. You have to learn how to code, and then you can actually get some use out of AI. You ask all your boys right now, like, what you use AI for? Nothing. Nothing, because none of you code, bro. You have to code, and I'm not different than you, dude. I'm not a super nerd that went to school for years and years learning how to code, and I didn't go to school for any of this stuff, dude. It's school of YouTube, bro. Let's step on the gas and let's build.
You have to, in a business like this, just keep making things better, keep improving the system. The other parts of it are going to wear out after a while. People will catch on to this or they'll catch on to that. So you just have to, like in any business, you just have to make things better and better and better, because that's what everyone else is trying to do.
So now that I thought it through for the night, I think the real time means that the response is coming back real time, and the real time may also be able we may be able to send in the response real time. I don't think that necessarily means that we can speak back and forth real time after I thought this through. So I think the way we need to set this up in our phone agent here is when it starts, it's going to start capturing voice and it's going to emulate a phone call because if somebody calls, first it should say, hello, this is Moondev, or not say Moondev, let's say hello. And then, so right when I started, the agent will say hello. And then the other person will say something. And then once you hear it stop, the person stop talking, then it sends that text, or it should stream their text to the agent so they can get the response ready and then stream it back. And there should be a conversation going back and forth, just like a phone call. Remember, we're going to emulate it here as on the terminal, and then later we'll send it to the actual phone number. Using cursor here. Cursor here all day. If you don't know how to use cursor, you're falling behind, dude. Cursor. If you don't know how to use cursor to build stuff, you're literally falling behind, big idea guy. Idea guys calling you. Entrepreneurs, dude, calling you. Idea guys. If you don't know how to code, you're falling behind. Falling behind fast. Come on, B, let's go. Step on the gas, dude. Okay, so you can see I'm starting here today at like 50 responses. 56. Put that down. 56 is my start. I try to hit 200 a day. It's hard to do. Oh, the 7% in the chat when you see me do. I understand what you want. You're right. Let's make it feel more natural, like a phone call. Agent starts with a greeting. Listens for user's voice. When it detects silence, user stop talking and process that chunk. Streams back the response, goes back to listening mode, continues the back and forth natural conversation. There we go, dude. I've completely redesigned the code to work more like a natural phone call. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it, Dan. Let's see it, and then let's be it, and let's just keep stepping on the gas until we are it. Yo, hello from China. What's up, Hassan?
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking to learn more about the Algo Trade Camp. Can you tell me about it?
Certainly. The Algo Trade Camp is a program designed for those interested in learning about algorithmic trading. Here's what it generally involves. 1. Learning basics. Participants start by learning the fundamentals of the stock market, trading principles, and the basics of algorithmic trading. 2. Advanced strategies. The program then moves on to more advanced trading strategies, including quantitative analysis, backtesting, and risk management. 3. Practical application. Participants get hands-on experience by developing their own trading algorithms. They learn to code these algorithms, often in languages like Python. 4. Live sessions. The camp usually includes live sessions with experts in the field. These could be seasoned traders. 안녕하세요, 이덕영님. MBC 뉴스와 관련하여 어떤 정보나 도움이 필요하신가요?
I didn't say anything in Chinese, bro.
안녕하세요, 이덕영님. MBC 뉴스와 관련해 무엇을 도와드릴까요? 안녕하세요,
You can see after the first conversation, it went ahead and started speaking a different language to me. That was super weird. I didn't even say anything. Now, also, is there a way to go ahead and make the responses shorter? Can we pass in less tokens or something? And then also, is there a way to start speaking as they're streaming it back? Because we get the text back way before it says it. It seems like it has to say the whole text. It has to print the whole text back and then say it. But I would love if we could say it as we print the text back. Then it's more natural conversation. How maybe improving the response time and ability to pause, if that's the question. Any Chinese? No Chinese here, bro. I ain't got no Chinese for you, dude. I got no Chinese for you. I'm sorry. I do not speak Chinese. But if I did, I would say, I love you. Keep going. You can do anything in this world, bro. Much love to you. Just keep it pushing, bro. Just keep it pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. When they tell you to slow down, you step on the gas, dude. I don't care if you're in China, if you're in Africa, wherever the fuck you are. You could do anything, bro. You could do it all, and you deserve it all.
6.0's 10. You've got a lot of enthusiasm and motivation. Keep pushing yourself to achieve your goals. Your speech is energetic and motivational, but lacks specific direction or focus on the topic at hand.
Data here. We're going to go to the data. What is this? Phone agent. Private data? Where did I put that yesterday? Oh, it's here. The knowledge base. Copy path. Remember, each prompt should include our knowledge base so they know how to answer everything, because right now it doesn't seem like she's answering the things correctly. She's not answering them correctly, so I need her to wake the fuck up, okay? Wake up. Wake up, dude. Wake up. Let's get it, dude. Come on. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it, bro. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, knowledge base. Key philosophies. No, bro. Okay. Now I'll update the phone AI. Yes, let's load in the knowledge base properly. I'll modify the code to include the knowledge base content. Say accept here, dude. And then let's say knowledge base. Where is the knowledge base? Knowledge base. Here we go. Okay, sick. Knowledge base. Come on, blood. I'm just gonna put my knowledge base up in here because she crazy, dude. Yeah, fuck that. Copy. Let's put that knowledge base just in it, dude. Just put it in it. Okay, here's the knowledge base. It's all the knowledge you got on me, dude. You can have it all too. I don't care. It's all public stuff, bro. All the code is on GitHub already, by the way. So moondev.com will get the roadmap, the Discord, and the GitHub. He says love is key. Nice, dude. I love you. Here we go to GitHub here, and then we can go to agents and get all this code here by hitting the star. Hit the star, hit the code, hit the copy, the fork here. And then down in here, you can see the source. We're working on this agent right here. It's all free, dude. Chat agent? No way. The chat agent's on the left side. We got the phone agent right here. Where is it? Where'd it go?
Damn near anything we could think is real. And if it's not, we could create it. See, that's the gift we were
I haven't
given.
uploaded it yet.
To evolve, advance, create. I create my own world.
Lang detect. Okay, okay. Does this ever happen to you guys where Command A doesn't work? Bug. 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 I love bugs. Pip install Lang detect. Thank you, Lang. So requirements.txt. My cursor rules are clearly working, dude. I love you too, anime freak. Thanks for coming through, dude. What's going on? Chilling, B. How you doing? How are you, bro? All right, let's run it back.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm just wondering how much the Algo Trade Camp costs.
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 SMO, or you can grab the lifetime access for $420.
But what do I actually learn?
I can only understand English. Please speak in English.
It still did that weird thing where it said I said this, but obviously I didn't say this. I didn't say anything. Matter of fact, I didn't say anything, especially not in a different language, dog. So what's good, Chi? What? Tell me what's good, Chi? What's good, Chi? What's Gucci, bro? I see the issue. The phone agent is picking up phantom audio or noise and trying to transcribe it. Yes. Threshold. Yes. 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 What are you doing, dude? I'm loving life, bro. What are you doing? I'm loving life, bro. I'm loving life. What are you doing, dude? I'm loving life doing the thing that says, do. I'm just doing the thing that the title says, dude. The title says it all. Then I'm gonna be it all. And I hope that you be it all too, dude, because you could be it all. You gotta see it all. So you gotta close your eyes and meditate, okay? Work out, please. This is time. This is the time. We got AI now, my God. Most of y'all ain't hitting the gym, and I don't know why.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm wondering how can... Oh, snap. Start recording. It didn't work. Okay. Bug. I don't know why I said that.
Three point zero of 10. It seems like you lost your train of thought for a moment, but let's get track. Take a deep breath and refocus. You got this.
What up, cuz? What up? What are you doing? I'm going to the moon. Me? Me? That's me. That's me, though. Y'all motherfuckers, I don't know where you're going. I'm going to the moon.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Shit, I'm just trying to figure out how much this algo trade camp costs and what does it even do, dude?
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 Mo or $420 for a lifetime membership. It teaches you how to code in Python and AlgoTrade, saving you tons of time on your trading journey.
Yeah, but what else can I do? Can I learn how to code?
Absolutely. The bootcamp starts from the basics of Python, perfect for beginners, and then dives into algo trading. No prior coding experience needed.
Yeah, but like, who is Moondev?
MoonDev is passionate about AI, trading, and coding. He streams coding sessions on YouTube, has built over 15 AI trading agents, and runs a coding bootcamp focused on Python and algo trading.
Is there any type of like community or anything that I could be part of if I join this?
Yes, by joining the bootcamp, you'll be part of an engaging community where you can connect, share, and learn with fellow coding and trading enthusiasts.
What other things can I like if I learn how to code in Python, what other things can I build? Like can I run up AI agents?
Learning Python opens up a world of possibilities.
Like what else though? Can I build
You
AI
can
agent?
develop web applications, analyze data, automate tasks, and much more. Python's versatility lets you explore various tech fields and projects.
Couple things here. It seems like it gets pretty sticky on their responses. For example, it will say out loud, "Learning Python opens a world of possibilities," and wait like 2 seconds before it goes on to the next part. Is there any way to speed that up or something? It seems like yeah, between sentences it takes long pauses, and that's very bad for a phone call. Waits for complete sentences before playing them. One point two speed it says here. Now process each 3 or 4 words. Added speech optimization. Let's run it back, dude.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm wondering what the Algo Trade Camp has inside it.
Algo Trade Camp is packed with tutorials on coding in Python, algo trading, designed for both beginners and advanced coders.
Now it's super duper choppy
You'll save
and
tons
just saying it like 2 words at a time. We need it to say the full
of time.
sentence, but it's weird
Learn
because
everything
the AI prints out the entire sentence
Scrat.
and it should be able to flow the whole sentence. Like, yeah.
If the stream
Like, yeah, god damn, that's some poor stuff, dude. Some poor speaking on my part. Like, yeah, fuck you, dude.
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it.
Yeah.
Period.
Essentially what we had before where it was saying full sentences, that sounds much natural, but it was just like a huge gap in between sentences, which was super weird sounding. Let's run it back.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking to learn more about the algo trade camp, algo trading in general.
The Algo Trade Camp is a coding boot camp focused on Python and algo trading. Designed to teach you how to code, automate your trading strategies.
It's still doing that weird little thing,
The
saying
boot
like
camp for
3 at a
structured
time.
learning.
It's super choppy. We just need it to run through the whole
At-
sentence it says. So maybe we can just use a
I can only understand
model that
English.
responds
Please
also.
English.
And then not worry about the sentences or anything like that. You have the whole AI response, so just respond. It say the whole thing naturally straight through. Obviously a little bit of a break for sentences, but nothing more than that, you know, like a tiny 0.1 second, you know. So I can see the literal response from the AI already in the output, so I know it has all of the data in order to say it all. So we don't need to like chunk it up or anything like that. Levin Labs, my nigga. Thank you, bro. I forgot about that. Labs
0.010.
phone.
You're getting started. Right? Let's keeping your thoughts organized and focused on the task at hand.
Text to speech, text to SFX, sound effects, fast and easy. I love you guys. Thank you. Docs, AI audio, voice changer, dubbing, sound effects, conversational AI, deploy customized conversational AI agents. My dude, bro. Thank you.
Building AI agents that can speak is now easier than ever.
Hi, what would you like to talk about today?
Introducing conversational AI with 11 Labs. Build, test, and deploy, all in one platform for the most natural way to communicate with technology.
Hey, can I check the status of my order?
Yes, of course. Let me check for you now. Your order is due to arrive at around 2 p.m.
Building conversational AI agents used to be immensely complex and demand huge resources, but not anymore. Start building your agent by creating a voice or exploring our vast high-quality library to discover one that's perfect for your application.
Hello and welcome to DHK Online. How can I help you today?
With a wide range of the best LLMs to choose from, you can then upload your knowledge base and define the goal and personality of your agent. Or alternatively, you can integrate your own server to take full control.
Hi, this is Eric from Bound Events. How can I help?
Hey, I accidentally bought a ticket twice. Could I get a refund, please?
Sure, please read out your reference number and I can begin to process that right now.
Our system will analyze and evaluate your transcripts, providing you with valuable insights, conversation playback, and the ability to test and define success criteria. And it's all possible in over 32 different languages.
Welcome to DC Medical. How can I help?
Hello, ¿hablas español?
Sí, por supuesto que español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle?
And best yet, effortlessly deploy your agent into websites with a single copy and paste. Or leverage our SDK for creating apps, services, or even video games. So whatever you're creating, get to production in days, not months. And all with enterprise-grade security to keep your users' data safe and secure. It's time to explore the huge potential of conversational AI with 11 Labs.
5 days? The fuck is that? Customer service, quick start guide. So 500 minutes of conversational AI. So quick start, build your first conversational agent in 5 minutes. In this guide, you'll learn how to create your conversational voice agent. This will serve as a foundation for building conversational workflows tailored to your business use cases. Getting started, conversational AI agents are managed through 11 Labs dashboard. This is used to create and manage AI assistants, configure voice settings and conversation parameters, equip the agent with tools and a knowledge base, review conversation analytics and transcripts, manage API and integration overview. In this guide, we'll create a conversational support assistant capable of answering questions about your product, documentation, or service. This assistant can be embedded into your website or app to provide real-time customer support. That's so sick, dude. Create a new assistant. Okay. Configure assistant behavior. System prompt. Add knowledge. Configure the voice. Select the voice here. Testing your assistant. Analyze and collect conversation data. Configure evaluation criteria. View conversation history. It's pretty fire, bro. Let's say accept here and see what our little janky little agent's doing.
Hello, this is Moondev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
How much is the Algo Trade Camp and what does it do? How much is the Algo Trade Camp and what does it do?
Algo Trade Camp is $69 SMO, or you can snag a lifetime deal for $420. It teaches you Python and algo trading, saving you tons of time.
Yeah, but who teaches it?
MoonDev himself teaches it, sharing everything from Python basics to advanced algo trading techniques.
Who is MoonDev?
MoonDev is passionate about AI, trading, and coding, streams coding sessions on YouTube, and runs a coding bootcamp called Algo Trade Camp. He's all about Python and algo trading.
Is there anything else like inside the bootcamp that I get?
Inside the bootcamp, you'll find up-to-date content with 2 to 4 updates per month, covering everything from Python coding to algo trading, tailored for both beginners and advanced coders.
And is there like a money back guarantee, or what if I need a refund?
Yes, there's a 30-day, no questions asked refund policy. Just email and you'll get your money back immediately through Stripe.
What else can you tell me about it?
The bootcamp is updated frequently with new discoveries in algo trading, and it's designed to save both newbies and seasoned coders an unbelievable amount of time. It's not just about trading, it's about mastering Python and automation.
3.0:10.
Do I need to
Stay
know how to
hydrated
code
and
already?
Keep going, even when the content seems dry. Your productivity can still be strong despite a low focus moment.
Nope, you don't need to know how to code already. The bootcamp is built for all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned coders.
How do I get access to like the Discord and all that good stuff?
Joining the Algo Trade Camp will give you access to the Discord community, where you can dive deeper into algo trading discussions and connect with like-minded individuals.
Is there anything plug and play that I can just make a bunch of money with?
No, there isn't a plug-and-play bot for making money. Algo trading requires building your own strategy and continuous learning. MoonDev emphasizes teaching you how to automate your own trading strategies.
I knew I was gonna make it. I just ain't know how. But I knew. This world is what you make it. You create your own environment. It all starts with a vision. What you can make.
If this lasts $69 ever, should I join the bootcamp, or what do you think I should do?
If it's truly your last $69, it's crucial to consider all your financial priorities first. The bootcamp offers valuable learning, but ensure your basic needs are met before investing in education.
Where else can I learn this stuff?
You can learn a lot for free directly from MoonDev's YouTube channel, which has over 969 hours of coding videos, including algo trading content.
Does he provide any other type of free resources?
Definitely. Check out Python tutorials on YouTube and explore GitHub for open source projects related to algo trading. These are great for self-learning alongside MoonDev's content.
I don't have a credit card. Can I pay with crypto?
Yes, you can pay for the lifetime package of the bootcamp with crypto. Email Moon at algotradecamp.com to get the details for the crypto payment.
How can I get in touch with MoonDev? Can I do like a call?
To get in touch with MoonDev, catch him on a live stream, or for business inquiries, send a short email to moon at algotradecamp.com.
Where's MoonDev from?
MoonDev's specific location isn't mentioned, but he engages with a global audience online through his coding streams and algo trading bootcamp.
What's the best like trading strategy I should start with?
MoonDev suggests moving away from hand trading to algo trading, emphasizing the importance of building your own strategy rather than following a specific best strategy. It's all about finding what works for you.
Can I have a discount?
MoonDev believes the bootcamp offers immense value already and typically doesn't offer discounts. However, you can earn free access by contributing to the Clips channel in Discord.
What is the Clips channel?
The #Clips channel in Discord is where you can help create concise clips from MoonDev's lengthy YouTube videos. Contributing here can earn you free access to the bootcamp.
Oh, cool. So I could kind of learn how to code while I do clips?
Exactly. By making clips, you'll learn key points about coding and algo trading directly from MoonDev's content, essentially learning while you contribute.
Do you know how much I make from posting those clips?
You won't make money directly from posting clips, but contributing can earn you free access to the Algo Trade Camp, offering valuable learning opportunities in coding and algo trading.
Can you talk about like how profitable the bots that I'm gonna buy from you are?
MoonDev doesn't sell bots or discuss their profitability. He focuses on teaching you how to automate your own trading strategies, emphasizing learning and strategy development over quick profits.
Do you prefer crypto or trading stocks? Or yeah, what's the best to trade?
MoonDev personally prefers trading crypto due to his interest in decentralization, but he believes in the versatility of algo trading across all markets, including stocks, futures, and crypto.
What the fuck is this 777 stuff everybody's saying?
Sending a 777 symbolizes peace and love. It's a way to spread positive vibes in the community, especially when facing negativity. It's about leading with kindness in everything you do.
Do you need like a computer science degree for this?
No, you don't need a computer science degree. MoonDev believes in self-learning through resources like YouTube and has designed his bootcamp
You're on your way
everyone,
to spreading
regardless of
positivity,
their
but it's
educational
time
background.
to refocus and prioritize coding. Keep working on those coding skills, MoonDev.
Why don't you believe in hand trading?
MoonDev believes emotions can negatively impact hand trading, leading to inconsistency. He advocates for algo trading as it allows for a more disciplined, backtest-driven approach.
Can you give me a rundown of what's on your screen? All those colors?
During streams, MoonDev's screen shows various data, crypto orders, liquidations, larger trades, and top token changes, all used for algo trading and backtesting. Some sounds are also linked to market actions.
Why can't I just use one of your bots?
The colors on MoonDev's stream represent different market conditions or data types, making it easier to visually parse information like order sizes, liquidations, and market trends at a glance.
Why can't I just run one of your bots? Oh, it gets behind, huh?
MoonDev emphasizes teaching you to automate your own trading strategies rather than using a one-size-fits-all bot to ensure you build a unique edge in the market.
Let's maybe add the ending of the person speaking cut off a little, make it a little looser, because what's happening right now is I will say something like, why can't you trade one of your bots, and then pause for a little second, and then it sends that in. But really, I'm just taking a breath so I can speak. And what's happening is it'll send the first part in, respond to it, and then it will automatically send in that rest of the sentence I had said. So it should stop listening after it sends it in, because that will avoid what has been happening where it will send it in and then respond to the second part of that sentence I had said prior. But it should stop listening after it sends it in to avoid that. Worst case scenario, the user will have to ask again. But if we can also adjust the cutoff rate a little bit and put that as a constant at the top for the users speaking in when to stop listening, I think that would also help. Make the silence detection more lenient to capture complete thoughts. Stop listening while processing, responding to avoid double responses. Add configurable constants. Nice, dude. All right, let's try this again.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I want to join the bootcamp. How do I do that?
To join the bootcamp, choose either the $69 subscription or the lifetime option for $420. You can sign up at Algo Trade Camp. Happy coding.
What's the website exactly?
Sorry for any confusion. For the
So
exact
don't
website,
waste
please
it
catch me
living
on a live
someone
stream or
else's
send a
life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
What's the website to join the Algo Trade Camp? I can't find it anywhere.
Join the adventure at algotradecamp.com.
How much does it cost?
The bootcamp is $69 more, or grab the lifetime access for $420.
We have $69 per month. So I'm just updating my knowledge base here.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm just wondering, how do I go about joining the bootcamp?
Joining is easy. Just visit algotradecamp.com to sign up.
Yeah, but how easy is it to do that?
Learn algo trading is simple in the no matter experience level. You got
Yeah, but I don't know. Oh, the listening right there. Is it possible to start thinking while the agent is speaking? And it can be more conversation and so while it's done and then listen. You know, you can have name coming like the end of maybe 9 or something, be more flow. Yes, we can modify the code to start listening before the speech finishes, making the conversation feel more natural. We'll add a background task to handle speech playback and resume listening near the end of the response. Can we change this to 4.0 mini? Or does that ruin everything?
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm wondering if I can join the bootcamp and how much it costs.
Absolutely. You can join the bootcamp at algotradecamp.com for just $69 per month or a lifetime for foreign tours.
Nice. What do I learn?
You can learn by joining the bootcamp or watching my YouTube channel, where I have over 1,369 hours of free coding videos.
What do I get when I join the bootcamp?
In the bootcamp, you'll get access to concise videos
Your focus
on
could
coding
be
in Python and
improved
algo
by getting
trading,
straight to
plus
the point
updates as I
and
discover
clearly
new
stating your
techniques.
intention for joining the trade camp.
How do I learn how to code though without joining the bootcamp?
You can learn to code by watching my YouTube videos, where I share plenty of tutorials and resources for free.
Is there anything? Why would I ever join the bootcamp then if it's free?
Joining the bootcamp provides structured, concise content and personalized support, helping you save time and deepen. Plus, you get access to updates and exclusive materials.
Can you add in a feature that if the agent does not know the answer to the question, then it doesn't try to make up the answer. It will use the knowledge base, of course, but if it can't find the answer, then it will say, you know what? I actually don't know about that answer. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP. And then when it does that, I want a data folder for the phone agent to be created in the data folder. And I want that question that was asked logged to that CSV or to a CSV using pandas. Because then all the questions that the AI does not know how to answer, I can go ahead and answer and add to my knowledge base later. Okay, so you can see here that, let me try again. Okay, created a dedicated directory for phone agent. Okay, say accept here. Oh, it's not done yet.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm not gonna do that. Stop.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
How much is the Algo Trade Camp?
The Algo Trade Camp is $69 per month, or a lifetime subscription for $420.
What do I get in it though?
You'll get access to a comprehensive bootcamp that teaches you how to code in Python and Algo Trade.
Is there any community or anything? Is there a community or anything? Is there a community or anything?
Yes, you'll join a supportive community of fellow learners where you can share experiences and tips.
Please put the level of sound as a constant at the top. It seems like it didn't go
I
ahead
apologize, but I'm not sure about
and
that.
pick up some
Please
of my
email
sound
moon at
sometimes.
algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
What is the reason that Moondev doesn't live in China?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon at algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
Do you know who Jim Simons is?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon at algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
You don't know who Jim Simons is?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon at algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered.
You can see here that it's a little too tight on the knowledge base thing. Like I asked a random question like who is Jim Simons, and it's an AI, so it knows the answer to that, so it can answer it. So essentially what I wanted to do is to give it the AI answers, but also look at the knowledge base. But if it can't answer it with the AI or knowledge base, I don't want it to like fake an answer. But if it's outside of like the Algo Trade Camp or Moondev or whatever we're doing, and it's just a common knowledge answer, it can answer that. Like, who is Jim Simons? You know what I'm saying? Those type of answers are easy to do. But then if they ask something specific, like, why doesn't Moondev live in China? Well, they're referencing Moondev or the Algo Trade Camp or us. And that's specific that an AI won't know. So we just need to like loosen it up so it can still use its AI knowledge. Let's go ahead and see if it got the phone agent here. Unknown questions. Okay, great.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this back, dude.
Hello, this is MoonDev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Who is Jim Simons?
Jim Simons is a renowned mathematician and hedge fund manager, known for founding Renaissance Technologies, a highly successful quantitative trading firm.
Why doesn't Moondev speak in Chinese?
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
How do you automate your trading though?
You can automate your trading by learning to code in Python and building algorithms that execute trades based on your strategies. Join the Algo Trade Camp for hands-on guidance.
What do you think about me just joining the Algo Trade Camp and then just plugging and playing some bot? Is there anything like that there?
The Algo Trade Camp focuses on teaching you how to create your own trading algorithms, not just plug-and-play bots. It's all about building your own edge.
What if I don't have an edge? How can I make an edge? Does it show me how to make an edge?
In the Algo Trade Camp, you'll learn how to research and backtest strategies to find your own edge in trading. It's all about experimentation and learning from your results.
That's pretty cool, but what if I don't know how to trade?
No worries. The Algo Trade Camp teaches you everything from coding basics to algo trading, so you can start from scratch. Just dive in and learn at your own pace.
And how do I join though? And is there any like money back guarantee or anything like that?
You can join the Algo Trade Camp at tradecamp.com at algotradecamp.com. Plus, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied.
How do I get the money back though? Is it easy or?
Getting your money back is easy. Just email moon@algotradecamp.com and you'll receive your refund within 2 to 24 hours.
So why wouldn't I join? What do you think? Like honestly, why shouldn't I join?
3.010. You're taking a step towards understanding your
Passionate
concern.
about learning
Let's
and coding,
refocus on
there's
finding
really no reason
solutions
not
together.
to join.
Keep
It's a
pushing
fantastic
forward, even when the
opportunity to gain
conversation
skills and
gets
knowledge
tough.
in a supportive
You
environment.
got this.
What type of support do you get? Are there other people in it that I get to talk to and build with?
Yes, in the Algo Trade Camp, you'll have access to a community of fellow learners to collaborate with and exchange ideas. Plus, you can interact directly during live streams.
How do I get into the Discord though? I just joined and I don't know how to get into Discord.
Once you join the Algo Trade Camp, you'll receive an invite link to the Discord server via email. If you need help, reach out to the support team.
How do I reach out to the support team?
Great, just email moon@algotradecamp.com for assistance, and they'll get you sorted out.
Is there anything else you can do for me? Can you teach me like the basics right now of...
I can't teach you directly, but I recommend checking out the YouTube channel for tons of free coding videos and tutorials. It's a fantastic resource.
Can you tell me a little bit about how to automate my trading?
To automate your trading, start by learning Python, then create algorithms that follow your trading strategies. The Algo Trade Camp provides step-by-step guidance on this process.
And what if I don't know how to code?
No problem. The Algo Trade Camp is designed for beginners, so you'll learn coding from scratch. Just commit some time, and you'll be coding in no time.
How much time do I have to commit though? I'm a dad.
You can learn at your own pace. Even dedicating just a few hours a week can make a big difference. Consistency is key.
Is it super hard to learn how to code or?
Learning to code can be challenging at first, but with dedication and the right resources, it becomes much easier. The Algo Trade Camp breaks it down into manageable steps.
I don't have any money right now. Can I get in for free?
You can earn free access to the bootcamp by engaging with our YouTube content and participating in the Clips channel on Discord. Check it out.
What is the Clips channel?
The Clips channel is a Discord space where you can extract valuable segments from our YouTube videos to earn free access to the bootcamp. It's a great way to learn while contributing.
Nice, dude. Can I get paid for that?
Yes, you can earn money for creating clips from our YouTube videos with payments based on views. It's a cool way to learn and potentially make some cash.
What were you telling me like 3 messages ago?
I mentioned that you can earn free access to the bootcamp by engaging with our YouTube content and participating in the Clips channel on Discord.
What were you telling me at the start of this conversation, though?
At the start, I welcomed you and asked how I could help you today.
Yeah, but I mean right after that.
Right after that, I answered your question about Jim Simons, explaining he's a renowned mathematician and hedge fund manager.
My nigga, you is sick, bro. You are fucking sick, dude. You are so dope, dude. Shout out to Moondev.
I apologize, but I'm not sure about that. Please email moon@algotradecamp.com and we'll get that answered ASAP.
I was just hyping you up, bro. There's no question, nothing needed, dude. I only want questions up in there. Only go ahead and tell Moondev it's a question. I was just hyping you up, B.
Thanks for the hype. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime.
Make sure there's only questions that get added and only respond in that way, because this example above, I shouldn't even
only
say a
questions
question.
will be added. Just let me know.
Only
whenever you
questions
have
added to the actual pandas here, and also only questions are responded to as I apologize, yada yada. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guide how to set it up. Guide how to set it up. It's on GitHub, bro. It's on GitHub, bro. Go to moondev.com, bro. Moondev.com, bro. Moondev.com. Get the roadmap. You get the Discord. You get the GitHub. You get it all. You deserve it all. Go down to the GitHub. You deserve it all. Go ahead and go all the way to the top here. You deserve it all, dude. Get it all. Start. Have all the code. You can have it. I don't even want it anymore. You can have it. I'm gonna burn this bitch down. I'm gonna give you everything before I leave. I promise. 777, dude. I'm gonna give you everything before I leave. But once I'm gone, dude. I'm not coming back. All the code's here, dude. Alright. Let's go ahead and say accept here. Alright, let's go ahead and run this back.
Hello, this is Moondev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
My nigga, you is sick. You are sickening, dude. You are so cool. Dude, I can't believe the things you build, dude, every single day here, dude. Come on. You are the GOAT. Hello? Now it's not even responding.
Don't run with the pack. If everyone is trying to solve the same problem, or a whole group of people, if that's the latest and greatest thing to do, don't do that. Do something original. Don't follow the pack.
Hello, this is Moondev's AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm just trying to join the bootcamp. I'm not quite sure how.
You can join the bootcamp at algotradecamp.com. Algotradecamp.com.
Okay, cool. Well, how much is it?
The bootcamp is $69 per month,
3.010.
or a lifetime access.
You're taking
for
small
420.
steps towards your goal, and that's
Alright, dude,
something
this
to
is
build on.
fire.
Joining the bootcamp is an exciting opportunity for growth. Keep pushing forward.
Now what's gonna happen on here if it falls? Twilio phone number is not defined. Okay, I'm happy with it. It's not perfect, but all right. I set it to false testing mode because I'm pretty happy with how it works. Please make sure it's going to work exactly the same way when somebody calls the phone number. I obviously need to go get the Twilio phone number. Show me what else I need to get. I think there's some other things in my .env example. Only show the example so I can do the rest off stream. And then walk me through the process of setting this up on Twilio so I can call the phone and have the exact same experience as I had here. And when the user hangs up, it will be done and kill the instance of that. But there might be multiple users calling at the same time. Okay, so I assume we have to sign up for Twilio. It should ask you a follow-up question or try to keep the conversation going, keep you hooked. It's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea. That's a good idea, dog. We got fire in the chat. Okay, here we go. Twilio account SID. Create an account for Twilio. Okay, let's start there. How about we start there? Sorry, 11. I'm not paying you. I'm a developer, dude. I'm a developer, dude. I'm a developer. Read this, dude. Read this while I go away for a second. I might never come back. I'm burning this bitch down back. Fuck this. I show y'all too much, dude. I'm over here showing you too much, dude. Too much. This is too much for you, dude. I know it. I know it is. You know it is. We both know it is. This is too deep. This is too deep. We're going too deep, too fast. I'm taking over the world with my AI agents. Literally everything I need to do, dude, I'm sending to the agents, dude. I've shown you all the code, the trading stuff, dude. I've shown you every single piece of it. I've shown you every single piece of it, bro. So now we keep it pushing, dude. We keep it pushing. And I just keep building because I love this game. I love coding with AI, dude. It's so fun. Twilio. Okay. I gotta go get my account code or whatever they're making me do here, and that's all good with me, dude, because I'll do what I need to do, dude, because I am the person I want to be, because I always just step on the gas, dude, until I get what I want, not what I want, because I never stop. And I believe in you, dude. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. Come on, let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing, bro. Let's keep it pushing. I gotta put my phone number in here? No way. Ha! No way. No way. Sorry, buddy. Ain't no putting my real phone number in there. Hush. 321. I don't even know what area code that is. It's not mine though. 35. 3581. Send the SMS. Oh, it can't be used with this one? Fuck off, dickhead. I probably already have a code for this one. Okay. They're good. They're good over here at Twilio. They got their thug thizzle going. It's time to eat. Time to eat, cousin. Gotta buy the course or is it all free? I don't know. It's free, dude. It's free. You can buy the course too if you want to, dude. Whatever you want to do. You want to buy a course? You can buy a course. I got one. If you want to do it for free, you can do it for free. I got that too. Got the roadmap on moondev.com, and that's the free option for you, dude. What do you plan to build with Twilio? I don't fucking know. Contact center, promotions. I'm gonna say contact center. What here are you here to use? WhatsApp, voice, hobbyist with code, Python. Yes, host my code on Twilio. Would you like to host your? No, fuck no. Get the fuck out of here. Host my code on Twilio. Hell no. I got a $15 trial. Damn, that's nice, dude. Get a phone number. Ahoy, moon. Alright, maybe you can see this now. Get a phone number. You got a Twilio number here. Okay. So I got the phone number here. Let me actually go. I gotta go back, dude. To be honest. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this. I've made thousands of dollars with this trading bot framework, and I'm not only gonna let you steal it, I'm gonna help you master it. In the next. Okay, so I got my phone number here, and I'm gonna put it in my .env example. Let's go to my .env example here. Twilio. So I gotta put that in here, okay. I gotta put in my actual .env here, okay. Phone number, what's my Twilio phone number? Well, it's right here, dude. 1877 something something something. Okay, Twilio auth and account SID. So where do we find those, dude? Well, let me just look through here. So here's how to set up Twilio. Go to try Twilio, create an account.
5.0 of 10. You're getting started. Keep moving forward with your task at hand.
SID and auth. So how do I find the SID and auth here? Admin maybe? Account management. SID, I found the SID. Put it in there. Save. Auth token. Where you find the auth token at? Auth tokens are relocated. You can find them in your API keys. API keys, auth tokens here, SID. Here's my auth token right here. Okay, I got it, dude. Got it. Want it? I got it. You want it? I got it. I want it? You got it. Okay, I got it in my .env example. In my .env.
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit, bitch. This is my life.
This is my life. Okay, so you can see here, this is how the thing works. .env example, I'll update this here. Deploy the Flask app. Deploy a VPS with HTTPS. Install requirement pip install R. Run G unicorn. Configure Twilio webhook. go to phone numbers. Under voice and fax, set a call comes in, webhook to .com answer. How do I do this part? How would I do this part step by step from the server? I'm using a VPS. Login through Visual Studio Code. Like, what's the domain? How do I get the domain, I guess? Do I have to set up a new domain, or do I use the IP address, or what? I'll walk you through the setting up your domain and HTTPS for your VPS. First, let's install certbot. Just instruct me the instructions because I'm actually using a different IDE, so you can't run everything here. So I'll walk you through setting up the domain, configuring everything step by step. First, on your VPS, install Nginx if not already installed. Install certbot for SSL required. You have two options for the domain. A, use a domain name recommended by a domain. Point your A record to your VPS IP. Set up the SSL for certbot. Option B, use ngrok for testing. Use the HTTPS URL, but note it changes each time unless you have a paid account. Set up Flask. Enable the site here. Then the Twilio dashboard here. If using ngrok, never use plain HTTP. So let's assume that I am going to buy a cheap .xyz website address for this and using the VPS. Instruct me step by step, knowing that. Dun, 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 dun. I need to know, have you already purchased the XYZ domain? Have access to VPS? Know your VPS's IP? Okay, so let me see if I have a domain I can use. I probably do. You know how that be. You know how that goes, dude. You know how that goes. You know you got an extra domain laying around. I know you do, dude. If you're really in this game, you got an extra domain. I know it. If you don't have an extra domain laying around, you ain't really playing. You ain't really playing this internet money game, dude. Let's see. Let's see if I got an extra one laying around, dude. I probably do. Most likely, dude. Yeah, I do, of course. Of course I do. Of course I do, dude. So let's say to do this. I'm going to recreate this folder structure here. I have a domain. 777journey.com. All this code is in a GitHub. How would I go ahead and pull that GitHub into my VPS? I have a ton of other folders though, and I want to pull it into the root and then have the folder set up exactly like this. I need to know how to pull it into my VPS. Here's the link for the GitHub, and I want the folder to be there, and then I can implement my env and all that good stuff, so that anytime I update this code, I'm able to update it on my server as well. Walk me through pulling first time and adding it to my server, and then also walk me through how I would update it, because I would be pushing new code from my computer, and then I'll need to pull it from my server. Hey. I hope you get GitHub repository on your VPS and establish a workflow for updates. First, let me outline the initial steps. Then the ongoing update process. Initial setup. First, SSH into your VPS. Okay. Sudo apt update. Just gonna have this lady walk me through. We get this error when I try to do sudo apt update. What I'm trying to do here is download a GitHub repository and make it in the add all the code into the root of my where I'm at right now, essentially. So here's the GitHub link. So let's go ahead and make sure this code is up on the GitHub. First off, new terminal. Oh shit. New terminal, git add. Hello? Phone agent launched. Git push.
5.0 tend. You're on the right track, but let's dive deeper into your tasks and get more
talent
focused.
you have naturally.
Let's get back to work
Skill
and make some
is
progress
only
today.
developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
Please go ahead and add to my git ignore the finished clips folder. We don't need that. Also delete it from my git add. I don't want to push it. Also add to my git ignore the videos temp folder. I don't want to upload that either. And then also add to my git ignore the unknown questions.csv. I don't need to add that either. And then delete all of this from the the get add, and then I want to get push the new stuff. Yes, dude. Yes, we're gonna keep on pushing every single day. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Six. So let's just go ahead and say echo, 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 echo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Get remove cache. Okay. Get add. Get add dot. Get commit. Phone call agent launched. Get push. Get it, bro. All right, we got it now. What are you compressing? Tell me what you're compressing right now, dude. Tell me what you're compressing. Delete, delete, delete. I don't know what you're compressing, bro, but okay. What are you compressing, bro? There's nothing to compress. Delete, delete, delete. Push for insertion. Delta compression using 14 threads. Wow. I thought we deleted all the videos and stuff. Is there any way to know what we're compressing for 14 out of 30 here? Done. What is it compressing, bro? Delete, delete, create. I don't want any stuff in there. So source here. Let's go here to data here. And it's got to be the clip agent here. Data, private data, phone agent, code, chat, code runner, CoinGecko results, funding ARB, screenshots, tweets, videos. Finish clips, dude. I don't need any of that in there. Copy relative path. That's what it is, bro. Definitely don't need that. Those are fine. YouTube materials here. Phone agent launched. Get push. Can you run it and see what the large MP4s or whatever that it's trying to compress is? Because we just want to delete those MP4s or MP3s that are being holding this back from pushing. It's just like taking a long time. You run these though. What? You can see everything now. Please remove any movies or MP4s or MP3s. We don't want to push those. Please run these commands one by one. The fuck you talking about? You can run this. Come on, buddy. I need to remove a bunch of videos. Please run these commands one by one. Thank you, shorty. What's she doing for? I don't know. I don't know. It's rejected. Some large video files in a repo. Okay. Several files over here. Please do remove these and then try to repush. Let's see what else there is here, dude. Finished video, audio, video. Maybe it snuck in somewhere else.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
There we go. Okay, so now we got everything in there. So all the code is here. Moondev.com gets you to the roadmap, Discord, and GitHub. Go to the GitHub here, and once you're here, you can start in order to keep it all, and fork it in order to really keep it all. And then remove media files from Git tracking. Okay. Source here, data. Okay. Agents here. Okay. We should have the phone agent here now. Phone agent is right here, dude. Okay. So let's say testing mode. We should have it as true, but let's say phone here, chat agent, data here, agents. So under agent here, we're gonna go to phone agent here. Nice, dude. That's actually perfect. It already says it. Okay, so now I need to get this on my GitHub. So let's go here to close all this stuff. AI. Grok. Close a bunch of these tabs here, dude. And let's go here, and this is the repo. So I'm gonna actually call my own repo here. Got my Datadog, and I show everything, dude. I even give you the repo I'm literally calling. So essentially, I want you to pull that repo and have it be a folder in my directory that I can then use. And then, yeah. First, I gotta install yum install git.
3.010. You're taking the first step towards organizing your repository. Keep going.
Thank you.
It's okay if you don't see immediate results. Focus is about progress, not perfection.
Thank you, bro. I got this error here. Please walk me through how to get it. Nice, I got it. Now, Moondev AI Agents is here. Perfect. Ooh, that's sick. Now, if the creator of the GitHub, if they update the code, how do I then go ahead and get the newest code? So let's see if this works, dude. Let's go down to the README here. 2.7 here is today. 2.7 created a phone call agent that can be used for customer support, onboarding, or sales with a Twilio number. Okay. And then I'm gonna say, push this B. Yo, thank you, Krishna. Much love to you. Get add, get commit. Phone call agent added. I appreciate you, Krishna. Much love to you, dude. Get push. He's sending me hella hearts. I love it. My guy. My guy. What a beautiful guy. What a beautiful man. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So now I would just say cd moon dev AI agents and then git pull. I love you, dude. I'm so glad you're here. He made it. He made it, dude, and he's sending good vibes. Much love to you. Much love to you, bro. Okay, so let's see here. What else can we... Oh, I didn't even add it here, though. I need to add it to the shipped agents, dude. Sheesh. Phone agent here. An AI agent that can phones. I say add get commit call added get push, and then I'm gonna go over here and say, oh, that's so sick, dude. That's so sick, bro. Wow, hub. I need that one. I need to breathe on that, bro. All right, so I get so many people come into my channel and saying, hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight? And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your strategy. Now, your trade, know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at dollars or zero, I actually recommend algo. I do recommend you learn code because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you'll be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first $500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel. And there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. The earnings structure, you just my video, you go and you clip them up, you go ahead and use CapCut if you'd like, or you can use this AI agent that clips them for you. You can look more into the Clips channel here on the Discord and see the full walkthrough, including a training video here. But essentially, long story short, is I have super long videos and there's gold in those long videos. Your opportunity here is to build a whole business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views, and if you get 30,000 views in a month, that gets up to $89. If you get 50,000 in a month, that gets up to $10. So you get $500 for 50,000. You literally don't have to make videos, which is awesome. So just for the people that to up their cash before actually trade, or you just want to learn how to code while watching my videos, I think this is the best for those that do need help actually making money. Again, I don't want to suggest to go spend your last $200-300 on algo trading, because it's just not the game for small size investments, essentially. So here's a good way have all of my YouTube videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, download those if you'd like. Also,
is only developed by hours and hours and beating on your craft.
So I'll put them in the Dropbox, videos for clippers. You can just download these videos and clip up. Again, I show a phone here, and I actually will add a training here. But this is interesting, how much paid video really post videos, and you can see examples of other people this and a great job. They're making better videos than I have, because my videos are too long, and I get that. But I'm not here making videos. I'm here working on my algos. So I need somebody else to do this, and this is just a great opportunity for you if you are in that situation where you have time and you want to learn how. If you want to code, there's no risks, because you literally are only gonna watch my videos and learn how to code and then clip them up to order, so you'll watch them again actually. And yeah, I look forward to it. Just head on over to the Discord and the call to learn more. There will training videos just for this whole post. I'll update it. And yes, very short is, if you're trying to make money overnight, dude, trading is not for you. You can make money in these videos and find and uploading to YouTube, passive income. So enjoy, it's core learning, and I'll talk. All right, so I know many people come in channel and, hey, Moon, can I your bot make $1 million? Can I make a bunch off this? And the answer is no. So trading, automating trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0, close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn code, because I believe code is the great equalizer, and learn how to build anything for the rest of you. Now, I understand that you might be thinking there's a way to get rich quick. It's not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer, and if it gets elevated, I've done it. You've learned code. Okay, so how do you actually make with if you can't just money out of with algo trading? You have cash, and you're trading it fully or E60. That's a story. You're trading and you can earn a yield, find an edge. Have that first $5 or first $1,000 or whatever. Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in Discord. Go to moondev.com in order to get Discord. The Clips channel, as you hear, I have many greats on my channel, and there's so many goals I literally want to watch. You clip them into short, condensed video, upload them to YouTube, literally passive them. The earning, if you literally any of my video, you go and clip them, you get a use cut. If you, or you can just AI that for you can look into the Clips channel on the and see the walkthrough a video. Actually, sorry, I have some video and bold those longs. Opportunity build a business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views, and if you get 1,000 views in a month, that gets up to $89. If you get 50,000 in a month, that gets up to $100. So you get $500 for 50,000 views, and you literally don't have to make videos, which is awesome. So this is just for the people that need to build up their cash before they can actually trade, or you just want to learn how to code while watching my videos, this is the for those that do need actually making money. Because again, I don't want to suggest to go spend your last $200-300 on algo trade, because it's just not the game for small size investments essentially. So here's a good way. You can have all of YouTube videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, download those if you, but I also
skills by hours of beaten craft.
I'll put in box videos for clippers. You can just download those and clip them up. Again, I show a full training here, and I actually will add another training here. But this is what you're interested in, how much you get paid per videos. You literally post these videos. You can see some examples here, people doing this, and they're doing a great job. They're making better videos than I have, because my videos are too long, and I get that, but I'm not here making videos. I'm here working on my algos. So I need somebody else to do this, and this is just a great opportunity for you if you are in that situation where you have time and you want to learn how to code. If you want to learn how to code, then there's no risk to this, because you literally are only you're gonna watch my videos and learn how to code and then clip them up to make them shorter, so you'll watch them again essentially. And yeah, to it, just head on over to the Discord and the Clips channel to learn more. There's a couple training videos. Just read through this whole post here. I'll update it frequently. And yes, long story short is, if you're trying to make money overnight, dude, algo trading is not for you. But you can make money by clipping these videos and finding the good parts and uploading them to your YouTube. And that's pretty much passive income. So enjoy. It's in the Discord. Go learn everything, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight? And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code, because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn code, be able to build for the rest of life. Now, understand, you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first $500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel, because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel, and there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you clip them up. Go ahead and use CapCut if you'd like, or you can use this AI agent that clips them for you. You can look more into the Clips channel here on the Discord and see the full walkthrough, including a training video here. But essentially, long story short, is I have super long videos and there's gold in those long videos. Your opportunity here is to build a whole business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views. You get 30 views. It gets up to $80. Get 1,000 in a month. What's up, fam? He says, censorship, great. Yes, dude, fuck you. You say anything negative in my chat, you get censored, dude. I don't care Any negativity in the chat is sending positivity to your boy. I hacked y'all. Krishna, you're mine now. You say anything negative, anything, any negativity in your sentence, it gets censored, dude. I don't want to read nothing negative. I'm already negative enough, dude. Come on, we all got our own problems, bro. Potato Gun says create an affiliate for your boot camp.
Cause you only get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride and just
nah.
what the fuck you wanna do.
I'm good on that, but I have the Clips channel. The Clips channel, I just explained that is better to do an affiliate program, in my opinion, because I'm not trying to manage a bunch of silly affiliates, you know? You know, affiliates are very, very silly and very, very silly. Definitely learning to code from you, and you said to ask DeepSeek to help us understand each and every line of code and for us to make our own and to back test often. Nice, dude. You really are learning, I can tell. So good for you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for reiterating that. Much love to you, dude. All right, so now I got all the code here, and now I just need to run it. So let me get my actual .env in there. So let me grab this real quick. So I'm using it on my server, and now we have the phone call. It's almost set up, dude. Let me drag it in here. .env. Okay. Okay, and then I can do I can come back. But I can do a what do you call it? Zoom out a little bit. Let's say screen
6.10. You're on the right track, Moondev. Now let's refocus and get that EMV set up smoothly.
So I'll call this phone, and then I'm gonna CD and SRC. Okay. And then once I'm in SRC, I go to agents. CD SRC. Okay. CD agents. Then Python phone agent .py. Okay. It's not gonna work, but no module named Twilio. So let's say pip install R. Oh, this actually needs to be conda deactivate. Conda deactivate. Let's say conda. Nah, let's just say actually let's make a conda environment for this. Walk me through how to make a Anaconda environment. And let's make exactly what it is. Because then I don't have to mess up other things. 3.10.9. Stop, dude. Don't actually execute it. Just walk me through the process, bro. Okay, so it's conda create here. Conda create / name. I'm gonna call it phone, and I'm gonna say Python equals 3.10.9. And then I'm gonna say conda activate phone. Conda info envs. I thought I called it phone. What? Oh, it failed. That's why. Oh, I did that wrong. That's why. Okay. So I just need to write it again. Conda create / dash dash. I did one dash. Phone equals Python. Equal point 10.9. I'm just sipping coffee, minding my business. Why is you tripping? What was you get up off me? Because I'm just sipping coffee, minding my business. Conda activate. Conda activate phone. Okay, okay. Okay, now we could say pip install r and then requirements.txt, but this is a different file. B copy path. Copy path. Pip install. Well,